the rundown, Levi, of what's popping? What's the word on the street?
I'm excited. This first spot we're going to, is one the other day. One I was at work or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And I asked that guy, and he gave me the thing where he's like, yeah, man, like that's cool or whatever, but I'm gonna have to talk to the wife.
That's usually a fat no-go.
My luck, the wife always says no. So he's like, come back in a day or two and we'll talk about it or whatever. So I come back yesterday, and his wife was just as cool as he was. She's like, yeah, come on. She said, my sister lives right next door. I'll talk to her, and you can probably hunt hers too. So it's like, all right. I was like, I'm gonna go throw a camera out. She's like, oh yeah, Lord, go ahead. So that's where we're at today. I put my cell camera here yesterday.
Y'all did a pretty good job on that lift pole, also.
Yeah, it was a jungle.
You did a pretty good job, Levi.
Good job, though. My broke thumb. I didn't do much, but I was here.
Shout out, Pat.
Yeah, shout out to Pat.
From the road.
That's her sister's right here.
Mm-hmm.
So she owns 3, and her sister owns 3. So if I can get both of them, I'll have
All right.
good spot. But I put a cell camera down here yesterday. But when I left here, I had a pretty good feeling. I want to do some door knocking, and I got some more spots. And
So
I'm feeling a little bit better about these other spots.
So we're gonna pull a camera here.
I'm gonna pull my cell camera, put just a regular camera out right here for now, and put my other 2 cell cameras out these other spots I got yesterday. But I don't know. I just got a better feeling over there at that Suburban.
Well, let's go get at it.
So put your snake box on. She just shot me a bird. I looked at my rear view and she was coming in hot.
You said, "Oh my God, this guy's riding my ass."
I thought it was the people. I'm so confused right now.
It would have to be the people because they was only at that house and then the neighbor's house, right? There wasn't a neighbor on the other side.
Was that not one of the cars that was parked in the driveway?
I guess. She's in a hurry. She's out of sight. Both ways. You go left.
That's not good. I mean, what do we do?
No, I guess she's just going too slow or something.
No, dude, she come in hot. Levi, what's up? Well, just got off work, waiting on Chase to get out here. I was scrolling through my trail camera pics from this morning. Finally had a shooter show up at one of my new spots I got, and he is big. So I got some other deer I've been watching, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna drop everything else and try to hone in on him. See if we can't get him killed this year. So we'll see. Gonna keep the feed to him, and this is the only set of pictures I had. I've had feed out at this spot for 2 months already, and this is the first time I've seen him. So maybe he'll stay in that block of woods and we can get him killed. But we'll see. Got about a month till season, so wait and see. It's a waiting game, son. Let's get it.
Are you fired up?
I'm fired up. What are you doing?
Talking. Either.
I just put eyes on him, son.
How big?
It's a split G2 deer.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He's big.
He was with those deer?
Yeah, he's with like 600 bucks right there.
Shit.
I just put eyes on him at like 20 yards probably. And he's big, dude. He's big. He's thick. That's definitely him. Pumped up. Let's talk about pumped up right now because I'm out the frame.
I bet. That's badass. On the property you just got.
On the property. I just got those all bedded on it.
Right. What, do you just hang out? They'll be in there feeding in a minute, probably.
They was feeding. I put feed out, step back like 15 yards. Here they all come.
Shit.
I got video of them like kind of close.
Right. So he come up there and was feeding too?
Yes.
That's crazy.
These
so you done got picked?
Huh? Yeah, I got pictures of him. Got to.
Yeah. Well, hell yeah.
I'm freaking out right now. I had to talk to somebody about this.
Well, I'll call you back. I just pulled up at this other spot right here.
All right.
No, I'll call you.
See. All right, we're going to hang a lock-on setup on this new piece of property I got a few weeks ago. After a split G2 deer I called Bird, and the reason he got the name Bird is because I had a piece of property I put a camera out on, and this is where I first had pictures of him. I only had like one set of pictures of him, and I put that camera out or whatever that first day, and I was leaving, and I see a car coming up on me quick in my rear view, so I was like, dang, maybe they want to like talk or something. So I pull over and here this woman comes by me and flips me the bird. So his name's Bird. So that's the story of how I got his name. So now I actually went door knocking, kind of I was looking at the maps, kind of figured out what area he might be in, so I came over here to try it, knocked on a couple doors. I got this one spot over here. It's a tight lot, it's probably 3 acres or something like that, and I went to put a camera out, and I walked up on a bachelor group of probably 6 or 7 bucks that day, and he was in that bachelor group. So we gotta kind of fly under the radar right here because I've door knocked just about every house right here. I know these people right here don't really agree with it, so I'll try to play low, stick in here. Well, we got a week left, and we're gonna be sitting in a tree here in Georgia, so guess we'll see y'all next Saturday. 20 foot up, let's get it. What's going on, y'all? It's opening day here in Georgia. We're headed to a spot where I've been getting pictures of Bird at. So Chase, he's in New Mexico right now, so I'm kind of holding the fort down here. I ain't had pictures of him in about 3 days, but he's due to come through, so should be a good morning. It's rained about all night, and I'm supposed to quit about 7 this morning right here, right at daylight. So we're gonna ease over here and try to slide in, see what happens. Should be a good morning, so see y'all in the tree. seen bird, but he's got to be close. It's 9:30 right now, and we just have got a break. We had 2 bucks back down at 40 yards right here. So we're gonna hang tight a little bit longer. Pretty sure all this rain's pushed out today, so or for now. So we're gonna try to stick in here as long as we can. Probably one of the craziest hunts I've had early season like this. I'm nervous, boys. Real nervous. My stomach's been in a knot all morning. Let's see if we can get him. I am headed back to the deer stand. Opening day, opening evening, 2022. Had a good hunt this morning. Probably ended up seeing 10 different bucks, 5 or 6 does. So I'm gonna be self-filming tonight. So I'm hoping everything can come together, because this morning I had a lot of deer on me. Hopefully it's a good hunt. Rain's pushed out. 73 degrees, which is freaking awesome for Georgia on opening day. So we're headed to the suburbs. See if we can't get bird on the ground. He ain't showed up in a few days, but with this front that's pushed in overnight, might have him on his feet. So let's get it. Been in the stand about 5 minutes. Charlie just FaceTimed me and he's got horns on the ground. Could be a good evening. Might double up. Let's go, boys. That ain't what you want to see right there. God. I just had 4 bucks come from my left and go up this little funnel right here. I don't know if it was one of them deer or the deer I'm hunting, but I seen a deer pile up at like 80 yards over here. I guess a couple houses down, somebody was hunting. Freaking shot one. God. I just hope it ain't him. Hope it ain't him. I don't know what to say right now. God almighty. I'd just about get down right now, but just in case it wasn't him, I'll hold out. He just went down, baby. Oh my God. You kidding me? Oh, come on, baby. Are you freaking kidding me? Thank you, Lord. God Almighty. This has been the craziest day of my life. He is down on my property right here. Whoa. He snuck in behind me right here to my left. I could have shot him at like 10 yards, like 15 minutes ago. But he snuck in on me. I was trying to get the camera on him. He come and fed right here. Just faced away from me for like 15 minutes. Never give me a shot. Finally, he gets broadside. And I freaking smoked him. Thank you, Lord. God Almighty. That's not bird, but y'all see in the video, I'm sitting here, have these bucks coming, one come, two come, three, four, and they went to next door to the neighbor right here. I know these neighbors right here don't want anybody hunting, but I'm sitting here, them bucks pass, and next thing you know, 5-10 minutes later, I see a white belly flopping at like 80 yards right here. And I just, in my gut, I just knew, I was like, somebody done shot bird. And I see the people come. I was gonna get down, go introduce myself and see if they did shoot bird, but I was like, whatever, I'll just hang tight, I'll just hunt this evening. There's this other deer in here, the one I just shot. He's a good deer. If he comes in, I'll just take him. Anyways, I seen him dragging a deer. I know it was a buck because I could see him holding horns while they was dragging. And then I just said a prayer. He said, you know, let it be what it's going to be. You know, if the bird's dead, then help me through it pretty much, because I got mad there for a minute. Not that somebody else might have killed him, but just because I put in so much work. I've been down here, I spent so much money on gas, feed, so much time, door knocking. Finally found bird's bedroom and get in here, and I mean, they might not have shot him, but I just had that feeling it could have been him. So I said, if that second deer comes in, that second shooter, I'm gonna shoot him. 30 minutes later, he's on the ground, baby. Wow. God. I gotta call Chase. Chase is in New Mexico. He probably ain't got no service. I talked to him a little bit earlier when he had some service.
Please leave your message for.
Thank you, Lord. I ain't been able to sleep for a month. Thinking about that deer. But I'll tell y'all what, I'm more than happy with this one right here. I'm gonna call some reinforcements. See if I can get Charlie or Kel over here and do a little recovery on him. God, that's what I'm talking about. Opening day 2022. Got one on the ground. Can't get a hold of Chase because he's in New Mexico elk hunting. Dang it, let's try calling him again.
Hey,
Let's go, baby.
you kill him?
Not bird, but his running buddy.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about, son.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. He's dead on my property, son. Is he really?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right here.
Hell yes, Levi. Let's go, baby. I'm pumped up.
Did you get it on video?
Oh, I got every bit of it on video.
Oh my God. Hell yeah, dude.
Dude, I wanted to wait, Chase, but I have a feeling that they shot bird.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, I wanted to hold out. I was like, he
Oh,
could
yeah.
be in here, but if they're real deer hunters, they know what's in here. You know what I mean? And I ain't gonna shoot nothing. There's only 2 deer in here, bird and this deer.
Right.
And he's dead at 45 yards. Hell yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Started off early, son.
God, dude, I'm pumped up. Get back right now and take a flight, son.
That's badass, dude. You by yourself?
Yeah, I'm by myself, self-film.
Hell yeah. That's your first self-film deer too, ain't it? Yep, first self-film deer.
Let's go, son.
Shoulder.
That's what I'm about.
I eat that shoulder up, baby.
Huh?
I eat that shoulder up, baby.
Did you?
Dude, he come in, I could have shot him at like 10 yards, but I was like, dude, I gotta get this on camera. He snuck in on me from my left right here. I was like, I gotta get it on camera. So I let him ease past me right here. He was literally 10 yards from me. Let him ease up here. He's like, for 15 minutes, he was faced away from me. You know me, I'm up here, God almighty, shaking, freaking out.
Right.
Finally give me a broadside shot. I took it. And
Hell yeah.
damn right, God. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's big. The start to the season.
Let's go, baby.
Hell yeah, dude. I'm proud of you. You put in the work for this one for sure.
Yeah, you got that right. That's what I was trying to say it on the camera. I was like, dude, I put in so much
Work for this. Like spent so much money, so much time door knocking.
Right.
And it might not be bird, but it's good enough for this old boy. If them other boys didn't kill him, he'll still be in there. You know what I mean? I don't know what they killed, but it was a buck. I seen him dragging horn.
Right.
So I'm gonna see if I can get some help down here. I could probably get him out by myself, honestly, but
Right.
I'd like somebody to film the recovery.
Yeah.
Laying here dead, son.
I had a picture of Big Rick at like 1 o'clock, but I haven't had a picture of any of the other deer, so I don't know what.
Right.
Hopefully she hasn't killed him.
Right.
Who knows?
God, dude.
am I doing right now? Huh? Yeah. Sitting at 10,800 foot. Sitting here. We had a big bull in this patch up at Timber right here this morning chasing cows.
Dude, I can't believe this. This is pretty good deer, bro. I mean, he ain't no bird, you know what I mean? But I just had that feeling, dude. I just had it in my gut that they just shot him.
Right.
So I told myself, I said a prayer. I literally said a prayer and was like, let me get through this right now. Like, cause at one point I was so mad. I just wanted to get down and slank and stuff everywhere.
Right.
But I just said a prayer. I was like, you know, it is what it is. Just let whatever happen, you know?
Right. Well, I mean, like I said, I mean, if it wasn't him that they killed him, and he'll still be in there, you can study him.
Right.
Hardcore study, because you done got one out the way, baby.
Let's go, baby. Opening day. I do too, but there's neighbors. This is awesome. The only time that you ain't here that happens.
I knew it was gonna happen. I've told DJ 100 times. I'm so surprised when we come into service that I haven't got a picture from Levi yet. He's killed one.
Dude.
He's like, "See, you reckon he'll kill one?" I'm like, "I guarantee you he'll kill one this weekend." Just about bet money on it.
Dude, you wouldn't believe at the deer I've seen, the bucks I've seen chase. I seen like 10 bucks this morning, like 5 or 6 doe. I mean, just like good deer too. I get it all on like a bunch of them video.
Hey, hang on, Levi. I'll call you back up. I gotta help you like 80 yards.
All right, see. All right, I'm gonna get down, get my stuff together, make a couple phone calls, see if I can't get Charlie or Kel down here to help me phone recovery and get this sucker out of the woods. See, this is about to be celebration time, Jack. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I just got back to the truck. I got Charlie and Zach coming to help me recover it and get it drugged to the truck, so they should be here in about 30 minutes. Still don't know what to think about it. I'm fired up though. Reinforcements. What up, boys?
What's up, baby?
What y'all doing?
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
Been working. I'm in dude shoes, dog.
Alright, got reinforcements. Got the boys. We're about to go put our hands on him. Walk across this nice sod.
You gotta like the hunt suburbia, huh?
Let's go. You kidding me, Charlie?
Dude, that's an awesome deer.
Look at that split me too. Look at kicker coming up the base of his tree right there.
It's a hell of a deer, dude.
Knocking on doors, trying to find the other deer I was trying to hunt, but
It's a lot of effort just to get permission.
Yeah, I've probably knocked on 75 doors this year just trying to find the shooter. And then I find the deer I was hunting, bird, and this was his running buddy, but pretty sure bird might be dead. So I said a prayer and this is what happened.
It's a heck of a deer.
God, my.
Heck of a deer. Let's get him out there and get some light on him.
Yeah, let's get him dragged out. Out of here. Got on the trophy line. I don't want to make the neighbors mad. Or if they got any bigger.
We need some.
A lot.
I know it. I'd probably let this one walk, honestly.
Dude, I will Never know when you need some necessities.
This is a cooler from the 1920s.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. My God, I'm out of shape. We gotta know. Appreciate it, bud.
Anytime, brother.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
Well, I guess we're gonna take her back to the house and have a couple beers because I'm thirsty.
Yep.
And get her skin out and get back at it. Try to find another one.
Hey, you don't have to close it. Camera's got that.
Somebody's yard on that subdivision.
Alright, we'll get it finished caked out. We're gonna skin the rest of the meat off of it. Thanks to the boys for helping me tonight. Couldn't have done it without them. We got a few more deer showing up on camera. Chase is still in New Mexico. He should be back. He's got some big ones showing up, so y'all stick with us. We'll put some. You just quit, didn't you?
No.
You just quit.
I was just 3 seconds.
We're gonna post some more videos, boys. Doink.